Here we are going to apply for the Happiest Minds IPO. Let me give you the step-by-step process. Here you are going to go for the ZP, this one, then the console. On the console panel is a backend panel. Here we are going for the portfolio, and there is a third option as IPOs. After going to the IPOs, now look at this one, 10 to 5 p.m. is the limit time. On the status tab, if you click over here, so here it is giving it as the timeline where offer start, offer end, allotment finalization, refund initiation, demat transfer, listing, and mandate end. So here all the timeline is properly given, where you just need to apply for 7 in between 7th of September to 9th of September. Finalization, like whether you got the application, whether you get the shares or not, you'll able to know on the 14th, that is on the Monday. On 15th, you will get either the number of shares in your demat, or you will get the refund if you do not get the allotment. So that will be done on the 15th, and once you get everything, so on the 17th there is going to be listing of the shares. So here now there is a bid process. You'll just click the bid process, and the cutoff quantity I'll be going for the 90, and cutoff price, and I'll just say eligible and submit as a button. Rest all the things are already been put over there. After here, like IPO application submitted, the UPI collect request from the bank might be delayed. So here once you go for this thing, then you will be getting the notification on the mobile where it will be asking for to approve the payment. So I'll just give you the SMS which has been obtained. So once we go through that process, then we immediately get one message. You have received a UPI mandate request from Happiest Mind Technologies for rupees 14,940. Log into your UPI app and authorize the block. Application number is so and so. So here you just need to go to the UPI application, and where you will be just saying okay, approve this kind of stuff. So just log into your UPI BHIM UPI thing, and once you put on the this one, then there is going to be a request process. Request is going to be there. Once you click to that thing, then here you are going to be asking like proceed here. So it is IPO request from Happiest Mind Technologies. So you just click the proceed. Letterwards here you are going to be saying like approve or decline, and then you just click this I have read and confirm the above details. Once you click to that one, then there is going to be IPO creation successful. All the details will be given over here. You just scroll it down and just take down this transaction ID and UMN number. And once you go to that one, once this process is completed, then simply go for again on the console page. Here you just check the UPI status. Amount blocked, it is saying like UPI mandate is not updated. Status is accepted by investor, and then block request accepted by the client, payment successful. Yes, so it is over now.